Let's set up DBeaver to connect to our Resurface database. DBeaver is a free, universal database manager. Once you have it installed, first thing you're going to want to do is click here to open a new connection. Resurface uses Trino as our database, so search for that, select it, and click Next. Now you're going to want to enter your Resurface database credentials. In my case, I have the defaults right now, so that's localhost, port 4000, and you can put whatever username you want. After that, click Test Connection, and you're going to get prompted to install the Trino database driver. Go ahead and click Download, and that's set up, and we were successfully able to connect. So now click Finish, and we have it set up here on the left. With this installed, you can now browse your tables, browse your columns, as well as you can perform queries to the database and get responses back. As an example, if we wanted to select everything from our current Resurface database, we could do select star from memory.resurface.message. This is the main message table in Resurface. It stores all of your API calls. Now, if we on Mac press Control Enter, it'll execute our query and return some results. And there you have it. That's how you set up DBeaver with Resurface's database. If you need any help with this, feel free to hit me up on our Slack channel. My name's Chris, and there will be a link in the description. Thanks.